What is up, guys? I got another video for you for Sony Vegas Pro 15, how to remove the blurriness after your video has been rendered, or how to remove resampling permanently. That way in the future, any video you do automatically disables this sampling that causes the blurriness. Alright guys, so obviously the first thing you want to do is open Vegas Pro 15. Once you have it open, go ahead and hit this little cogwheel here, which is for the project video properties. Now in here, what you want to do is you want to make sure you choose the correct template. In this case, I'm going to use the 1920 by 1080 60 frames per second. The biggest factor here is down here where it says resampling mode. You want to go ahead and make sure that you choose disable resample. Once you do that, you want to go ahead and click on Start on New Project with these settings. And then what you want to do is you can save this template. That way it defaults to this template, or you can switch templates, and this setting is always stored based off the template name. So you can go ahead and hit Save Template. And then the final thing you want to do is hit Apply and OK. So basically, let's go ahead and test this out. This should be using the project settings for the resample settings. So basically, as you can see here, it says use project resampling mode. And as you know, under the project settings, we have disable resample. So alright guys, that is all there is to it. If this video has helped you, do me a favor. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, and hit that bell. And let me know in the comment section if you guys have any other suggestions about Sony Vegas Pro. Alright guys, appreciate y'all watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.